What happens after you get an offer on your home? That's a great question. Once we start receiving offers on your home, that's when the fun begins. Now, it can be stressful if you don't receive the offer or the amount you were hoping for, but don't worry. That's why you want to make sure that you hire a good negotiator like myself. Hi, I'm Richard Freedkin, Realtor with eXp Realty, and I've been in the real estate arena for over 40 years. I'm also a certified real estate negotiation expert, RENE, a prestigious designation awarded to high-level agents who've passed stringent tests by the National Association of Realtors. Now, there's a very small percentage of agents across the nation who've actually earned this credential, which I really find alarming because knowing how to properly negotiate on your behalf is one of the most important aspects of a real estate transaction. It's my job to not only get you the most amount of money for your home, but also to negotiate the best terms for you as well. Once we receive offers on your home, there are a few essential components that actually need to be done prior to me sitting down and discussing the offers with you. I personally vet all the buyers by calling their agents and their lenders to make sure that they're truly qualified to purchase your home. I verify that they have the funds, and I ask crucial questions to make sure that they're actually pre-approved and not just pre-qualified for their mortgage loan. I really want to find out how motivated and in love they are with your property. During this process, I'm going to learn more about the buyer's agents and their lenders to see how much experience that they have, if they've properly educated their buyers, and to get an idea of how easy or hard it's going to be to work with them. Believe it or not, the buyer's agent and lender are just as important to ensuring that the deal will actually close and go smoothly, as are the buyer qualifications. After vetting all the buyers, their realtors, and their lenders, I will schedule a time to go over each of the offers with you so we can discuss and review all of the terms together. I'll give you my advice on the offers in regard to the pros and cons of each and ideas for counteroffers. But ultimately, you're the final decision maker as to which offer to take and what to counteroffer if necessary. Now, if we have more than one offer, there's another process that we go through which is called highest and best. With multiple offers, we typically give an offer deadline date to let everyone know that we have multiple offers and that we will be calling for their highest and best offer due by the deadline date, which is typically around 2 days after the offers have been received. This is to give all buyers time to think about their offers to decide if they want to increase them. Remember, they have no idea what the other offers are and that they are competing against, and just knowing that there's other offers typically will get some buyers to raise their price or better their terms, as they don't want to lose the home they just fell in love with to someone else, especially in a low inventory market where it may be a long time before they find the perfect home again. Depending upon what the highest and best offers are, we may take the best one or even counter the offer or offers. I will discuss all this with you, give you options and advice so that you can make a sound financial decision that is best for you and your situation. Generally, the purpose of this whole exercise is to get the highest and best price and terms for you so you can kind of pick from the cream of the crop, so to speak. If we do make a counteroffer to any of the buyers, they can choose to accept our terms, counter us back, or stay where they're at. Once we come to terms, yes, we're now officially moving into what's called the 5-day attorney approval period, which I will discuss in another video. Make sure to watch the next video to find out what to expect regarding timelines, contingencies, and so much more. In most cases, you'll be dealing with a buyer who needs financing, so the average time frame to close on a transaction is going to be somewhere around 30 to 45 days, give or take. If you're dealing with an all-cash buyer, you can typically close sooner depending upon how long inspections take, getting title searches completed, and so on. This can sometimes be as soon as 10 to 15 days, but I've even seen an all-cash deal close in as little as 5 days if inspections are waived. So make sure to watch some of my other videos to learn more.